find out about our company at?
From Angie's List. I just did some research, and that's where I found you.
Great. And did we do everything we said we would do?
Yeah, we went through and like really systematically looked at each crack and decided what we were going to try to attack, and then kind of went over it again once the job started, and there were even some things that you guys took care of that weren't in the specs, but you just did it because it was kind of easy and convenient, which helps me a bunch, so then I don't have to deal with those things.
Awesome. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely would you be to recommend our company to your neighbors?
It would be a 10, because the work was done in a super tidy way with drop cloths everywhere, and there wasn't any dust. We weren't sure whether there'd be a lot of dust, but there wasn't. Everything's just been done really well, so I would definitely recommend you to other people.
And what's your favorite part of the areas that were repaired? And what was that like before that?
It was totally cracked with a piece of tape on top of it that was kind of bent because from a previous repair, and it looked really bad. And now it looks really beautiful.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.